Bwanyuma yo kushobora kwibuza bya senior ya kana ishomero ya Secret Mushanga terokomera ku bisingira iguru cyonka bituragacere rya beri ya 3 no mwihanga ryona.
Last year we had 329 students in senior 4, and I'd like to announce that all of them have passed with flying colors. Let's clap.
Ninsima mukama kandi nsima na administration yona hamwe n'abashomesa bona timu wakayitubire twine kuranga tushomesa abana bitu baruga mukurunji
tubire ntumanya ngo nyuka ricamuneja kutugumira konka go kugira ngo tushomisa je twamara sere basto mbwire kandi nishomero kugira ngo ndyo ribire nirukura center yo traininga nyuka ricuramu ebintu byona twabiteko mbuteka abana bitubona baba outstanding.
Okusinga kwa Secret Mushanga umwaka hagundi abeje bagizire mu kibaha amasuko nabo bamanyango ishomero ryabo ryahamuramwa.
We are happily celebrating the coming of the results. Yes, this is for every year. Last year we made it, and also as a senior 4 candidate, next year we are going to make it.
It gives us all hope, the new candidates of this year, that we may also make it our best. It has opened the new curriculum, for it is what we have been waiting for.
I thank our teachers, I thank the HM of this school, Secretary SS Mushanga, for working hard. I also thank the parents.
Denis Ndyamusiimanta headmaster w'ishomereri wabara hamwe n'abashomesa ubwo kushomerwa kurya higuru abo kwato mwanya murunjo mwihanga ryona.
Mwana wena tumureba nko kwari na n'ubwenge na nangwa no yakuba atine bwenge bwinshi ko kandi tumuyamba buri mwana ntumika kandi tubatwine consultations n'abashomesa tumentaringa abana kureba ngo bona barga mu cyo mugasho
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif.